All right, gentlemen. I want you to repeat after me, just how I do it. Ready? Your turn.
Hari ini kita belajar membuat tembikar. Bahan-bahan: 2 cawan tepung gandum, 1 cawan garam. Mari kita mulakan.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you Mr. Charlie Puth on keys.
You better poop when the beat drops.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was very good. We're going to do the whole thing one more time. Follow my step.
Keringkan tembikar.
Good golly. Bring it around now.
Sekarang masak untuk mewarna.
Let's bring it on home. Bring the beat back.
You better poop when the beat drops.